This is the FNL 250SY slant bed CNC turning and milling machine from Focus CNC. This machine exudes quality and has some great features in both design, components and functionality that make this machine a real contender for your workshop. Let's have a look at this machine in operation and see some of the special features that stand this machine apart from its competition. The 30-degree FEA analyzed slant bed design of the FNL 250SY enhances precision by maximizing rigidity and long-term non-deformation stability. This design also absorbs and distributes cutting forces evenly throughout the structure. To ensure ultimate rigidity and movement precision, Focus has also selected the very best German Rexroth roller-type linear guideways for the FNL 250SY, which are coupled with a C3 class precision ball screw. The internal space design is also unique and allows for maximum flexibility in machining without any worries of tool interference. As you can see, this Fanuc dual-speed motor-driven spindle has a unique design with the direct drive motor built into the spindle housing, avoiding the need for an external motor and belt and saving you valuable workshop space at the same time. The spindle itself uses the very best NN type and angular bearing for very high precision even under heavy cutting load. This spindle also features an extra wide 77mm bore for larger bar capacity up to 65mm. The newly designed BMT 60 12 tool high rigidity power turret features a greater coupling diameter that gives you higher rigidity and deeper cutting without risks of chattering. The BMT power holders on this model are top-of-the-line high-rigidity models which feature a 1-to-1 drive ratio and up to 4,000 RPM. Along with the special low-interference design, this makes it a very versatile machine indeed. High precision, high torque, dynamic C-axis turning provides a multitude of additional applications such as face milling, drilling, tapping and many other functions. To add to the versatility of the FNL 250SY, Focus has added a sub-spindle with built-in motor for instant back machining and has included 2 parts catters on this model to allow parts collection after either front or back machining have been completed. The FNL 250SY from Focus exudes quality and attention to detail throughout. Focus has been very careful from the structural and space design right through to the component selection to make sure that this is a fast, precise and highly versatile CNC turning and milling machine, which will maintain its accuracy over a very long time and be a highly efficient machining partner in your operation.